We are going to see some gingival retraction technique which is followed after the tooth preparation. First is the rubber dam placement technique is used. So these are mainly used or majorly used over the endodontic technique. So this is also same technique can be used over for the tooth preparation after the tooth preparation. First, two different types of technique have been used. First is rubber dam placed, then the rubber dam template is placed, or else first the template of U frame is placed, then the rubber dam is placed. Also, the third technique will be a simultaneous placement of rubber dam along with the placement of rubber dam frame. So this technique will produce only the selected teeth which is prepared. So this can't be used for the impression making. Next will be the retraction cord. So the retraction cord is placed around the gingival surface between the gingiva and teeth prepared teeth surface. Though so this will provide an extensive margin access over that prepared teeth. So there are different types of retraction cord are available, which is based on the mechanical form, chemical form. Based on the mechanical form, it can be of twisted, netted, or plain retraction cord. Also based on the thickness, it can be of small retraction cord, extra small, medium, large, and extra large. So these retraction cord are which are basically differentiated based on the color coding system. So if it's a red, it is extra thick. If it's green, it's thick. If it's blue, it is of medium. Or if it's black or brown, it is of which is fine retraction cord. So different types of retraction cord techniques are also followed. Usually we follow single cord technique in which only one cord is placed around it. If it is of more depth, or if it is more depth of gingival sulcus is present, we can go for a double retraction cord technique. And it is also impregnated technique. Impregnated retraction cord are used, in which it is impregnated with some chemical solution such as epinephrine, alum, aluminum chloride solution are used. Next, with a simple technique is a cotton roll technique. This is of old conventional method have been used. So it is overcome by new techniques such as laser technique has been used. Any chemical form of resin can be used, or retraction cord are used to replace this cotton roll technique. Next is which is a chemical retraction technique. This consists of an epoxyl paste. So this paste is in viscous paste has been used in this chemical retraction technique, which is placed over which is applied over the prepared gingival surface of the prepared teeth for around 20 seconds. So this will provide an enough gingival retraction, which is used as an alternative for patients who are sensitive to the retraction.